What's up guys, this is my 2023 Z51 C8. So what we're gonna do today is take off the Z51 plastic lip. We're gonna replace it with a gloss black splitter that's a lot more aggressive. So I'll show you guys how to do that, and I'll line it up right now just so you can see the difference. So this splitter, it's called the EOS Performance Splitter. I think also was called like the ZR1 conversion splitter, but this is from Extreme Online Store. So shout out to EOS for another good product. And yeah, you can see it's way larger than the plastic Z51 lip. So I'll show you guys how to take that one off. It's extremely easy. And then we're just gonna throw this one on and I'll show you what it looks like. All you really need is a T15 Torx bit, just like this. Go to Harbor Freight, $5-10 bucks for a whole set. But there's 21 screws across the Z51 front lip. So just get under there, remove all of them, and then take the OEM splitter off. As you can see, it's already got most of the same holes as the Z51 lip, so all I'm gonna do is use the screws we took out, starting with the middle piece, and I'm just gonna start putting it back on. Like I was saying, start with the middle piece, put the screws in, then do this chunk and the winglet. Makes it a lot easier to hold it up. So that's what I did, really simple. My car's lowered an inch, so I did raise it maybe an inch or two with the jack, but yeah, you could probably do this on the ground. Here's the final look. So you can see it's way bigger than the Z51 OEM lip. Actually, it's way bigger than the 5VM splitter that I had on the car before this. So if you want the most aggressive one, I say go for this ZR1 conversion. It's called the EOS Performance Extended Splitter. This is the one if you want something really aggressive, but if you want something more subtle, maybe check out the 5VM. But I'm really happy with it. It looks really crazy on the car. So before I close the video, I'll show you guys some clips of the car outside, just so you can see what it looks like. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. As always, if you have questions, need any help, throw them in the comments, I'll help you out. But if this video helped you at all, give it a like, subscribe, really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.